Hello viewers, welcome to Learn with Ali Yahya. Today we will learn about logarithms. And logarithm is very easy topic. The only thing we need to do is start from very basic concepts. So first of all, let us start with an example. If we have a raised to the power x is equal to y, then we want to find out the value of this x. So x is equal to log of y to the base a. Yes, तो इसके लिए एक बहुत आसान सी ट्रिक है, वो आपने याद रखना है। वो ये है कि यहां पर इसको हम कहते हैं बेस. This is known as base and this is exponent. This is some value. So x is, when we take the log over here to find the value of this x, we read this as x is equal to log of a to the base a. क्योंकि ये a बेस है, तो आपने ये जहन में रखना है कि a यहाँ पर भी बेस में रहेगा. तो इस तरह से आप इस पूरे एक्सप्रेशन को आप इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं और याद रख सकते हैं. अगेन, x is equal to log of y to the base a. X is equal to log of y to the base a. So this is very important expression, and the trick is very simple and easy. Thank you very much.